Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to Backup and the Tech Automation Laboratory. So this is the part 13 for APM Mobile Automation Tutorial for Beginner. In this tutorial, I will talk about what are the different approaches available for installing the APK file into the mobile device. So let us talk about the first approach. So drag and drop approach. So by using this approach, you can install the APK file into the only mobile emulator. So let us move on to the second approach. So by using the ADB command, you can install your APK file into the real mobile device and the mobile emulator also. So let us move on to the third approach. Well, in the third approach, we will be writing a simple automation code. By using that, you can install your APK file into the real mobile device, mobile emulator, and the APM grid device as well. So let us discuss the first approach by using the drag and drop approach. So we will be installing our APK file into the mobile emulator. So this is the APK file guys. So I'm using ISCTC mobile app. So this is my emulator. So first we will try to search if that app is already installed. So here I'm typing ISCTC. So that app is not installed. So what I'll do, simply I'll drag this APK file and I'll drop into the mobile emulator. Because you can see the pop-up APK installer. So that's it guys. So mobile app is installed successfully now. So here simply I'm searching for IRCTC. Then you can see the app over here. So I'll open this app. So simply you can say Denny. So this is the home page for the IRCTC mobile app. So it got installed successfully and we are able to launch the same app. So simply I'll close this. So simply I'll uninstall this app so that we can discuss the second approach as well. So simply I'll say okay. So let us move on to the second approach. By using the ADB command, how you can install the APK file into the mobile real mobile device and the mobile emulator. So what I will do is first I'll check the device is connected or not. It can be real device, real mobile device or the mobile emulator. In my case, I'm using the mobile emulator because that device will be displayed for me whenever I'm searching for ADB devices. And if you have connected real mobile device, then that device should be displayed under the ADB device. See guys, simply I'm entering ADB devices. See guys, so this is my emulator. Now it is displayed. In your case, if it is a real device, that device name will be displayed over here. Once it is displayed, so what you need to do, so simply enter one command. So ADB install and path of the APK file. So simply I will drag and drop this into the command prompt. So simply I'll say enter. So once it is installed, you'll be able to see the success message. Then we can check the app in the mobile emulator. If you are using real device, you can check in the real device as well. So it will take few seconds to install. So just wait for another few seconds. So it is taking quite a long time. See guys, you can see the success message now. So simply I'll go to the emulator now. So I'll search for IRCTC. See guys, that app got installed perfectly. So simply I'll open this app. So I'll say Denny. See guys, this is the home page for the IRCTC mobile app. So simply I'll close this and I'll also uninstall this app because we can discuss the third approach. So third approach, it is a very quite interesting approach by using the automation code, how you can really install the mobile app. So simply I'll say uninstall, then I'll say okay. So that's it guys. So till now we have discussed two approaches. That is the first approach by using the drag and drop approach, and the second approach by using the ADB command. So this is the third approach. So it is very important guys. So you can, if you are knowing this approach, you can install your mobile app into the real mobile device, mobile emulator, and the Appium grid device as well. So simply I'll move on to the Eclipse IDE. So here I'll create a simple class. So name of the class here I'm specifying it as install APK. So that's it guys. So inside this class I'll create a one simple test test public void install APK. So just I'll import the test at the rate test from the test.ng annotation. That's it guys. So guys, what I will do first, this is my emulator, right? So first I will try to launch the app, one of the app from the this emulator. Then we will install the our ISCTC mobile app. Then simply we will close the driver object. Because what I will do, I'll go to the com.testautomation.utility. So inside this, we have one class browser utility. See guys, if I go down, so this is a method we have implemented in the previous tutorials. Simply I will call to this method as it is having the static method by using the class name dot. I'll call to the simply this get Android driver. So this will return me the Android driver. So what this method does is simply it will launch us the this API demos mobile app. So I'll go to the install APK Java. So I'll use the browser utility class name dot get Android driver. Then I'll assign back to the Android driver type. So now we can import the Android driver packages. So that's it guys. So now we have launched the this API demos mobile app. Then after launching, simply I'll use the driver object. Then I will, by using the quit method, simply I'll close the API demos mobile app. So in between these two lines of code, what I will do is simply I'll take the driver object and I'll say driver dot install app. See guys, very first method, it is accepting the string type of variable and that is expecting the app path. So simply I'll select this method. We need to pass the path of the APK file. So we had the APK file in this path. Simply I'll right click on the APK file. Then I'll go to the properties. Simply I'll copy this path, the location. Then I'll paste it here. Then I'll say isctc dot apk. So this is a complete path of the APK file. So after launching the API demos app, I'll wait for some seconds. So by using the thread.sleep, so I'll wait for 3 seconds. That means I'm specifying 3000 milliseconds. So after installing the app also, I'll wait for some 4 seconds. That means 4000 milliseconds. I'm specifying it. So I'll say surround with try and catch block. So that's it guys. So in the first line we are launching the API demos app. Then we are waiting for 3 seconds. By using the install app, we are installing the our isctc app. Then we are waiting for the 4 seconds. Simply I'm closing the driver object. So before executing this script, I'll check if isct app is still exist. No guys, that app is not there in the my mobile emulator. So that's it guys. What I will do, simply I will say run as test-ng test. So I'll take the emulator over here. Then I'll select this method and I'll say run as test-ng test. So let me check if anything is executing. Yeah, I think it is now it is starting the execution. So it has to create the connection to the Appium server. Then it has to pass all these commands over the server. Then our Appium device will be listening to that. See guys, it has launched the API demos app now. And it will wait for 3 seconds. Then it will start installing the isctc app. Then it will wait for the 4 seconds. Finally it will close the API demos app. And if you look at the result of mine, see guys, there are 0 failures. So total we had 1 test and that is passed over here. So let us check this app is got installed or not. So this is my emulator. So simply I'll go here and I'll search for the isctc. See guys, that app is installed successfully. Simply I'll open the app here. Then I'll say Denny, because this is the home screen for the ISCTC mobile app. So that's all, guys. So whatever the in the agenda I have specified, so I have covered all the stuff over here. So if you have any queries, any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. If you like this tutorial, please click on like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.